Hello everyone. So you all started to get your LaserPecker 4s and you're thinking how to put it together. In fact, it is quite simple. You should have your hood, a USB cable, so USB-A to USB-C, cable organizer, Allen key, 4 screws, the base plate, the stand, and the LaserPecker 4 unit. So let's start off with the base plate and the stand here. Let's put this aside. My unit is a test unit, so this comes out quite easily. I believe there's an enhancement to all of yours where you have a sort of clip which helps it keep it in place, but I'd still recommend removing it so it doesn't fall out. Now the core is to attach here. You've got 4 holes. You've got the stand, you've got 4 holes here for the screws as well. You need to align them, and there's a nice lip here which fits into this lip like that, and you can hold it together. Now this may be a bit difficult for some people, so what you can do is place this down, support this a bit, get the base, align it there as well, and hold it as so. Get your first screw, put it in the hole and turn it in so it's getting in. Get your Allen key, fit that in, screw it in. There you go. Tighten it, but not too tight. And now, as you can see, it's well held. Now what you can do is take the remaining screws, put the Allen key into it. Always a lot easier doing that way. Put it into the hole, put it through all the way as well. Don't over tighten because you don't want to ruin the screw head there. Put the third one in, again all the way in. Take the final one, screw it in. Now once you have all of them in, I recommend just checking each one, slight pressure, not too much, just check that it's all in. That one could screw a little bit more. This last one, this one here, no, this one just a little bit more in terms of tightening, and there you go. Stand should be well affixed, not moving. What you ought to do also is check this every so often because screws can come on loose, to just tighten them. Get your base plate, put it back in. Now what you want to do is you can attach your cable organizer. So just this side, just clip it on or slide on from the top, up to you. Now you want to attach your main unit. You've got the base hole there which would slot into here, and you can screw it in. There we go. It's well attached. Now the USB cable, you have 4 ports here. So you've got the power in, you've got a USB-C. Now this is for connecting to your computer, and then you've got 2 output USB-A's here which are used for powering the stand and any accessories that you may have. So USB-A to there, USB-C into the stand. Your unit is more or less ready to start up. You have your hood which is magnetic, so you just slot it under, fan pointing this way, this USB-A cable fits into the unit here. And there you go, you're ready to do your first engraving. Hope that helps. Follow and subscribe for your first engraving and other hints and tips.